Mabul mar riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho ma ong'ere kaka Operation Linda Ugatuzi omedo duondgi e chenro mag Twak ma igeno ni dhi bedo e kind piny owacho kod kweth mar siasa mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance. Jokanyo mag Linda Ugatuzi dwaro ni Twak ma kamano nywak duond buche mamoko ma ok ni e riwruok kata kweth mar siasa ariyogo kende.
Following the decision by the President William Ruto and Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga to commence the process which they have called bipartisan dialogue. It's not the first time we are hearing such thing. We had MOU with Moi, we had Nusumkate with Kibaki, we had a handshake with Uhuru Kenyatta. So this initiative has been called bipartisan, meaning two parties, which according to us is Azimio and Kenya Kwanza, and you can also call it Rutonomics and Railanomics. And we choose not to be in any of the two camps, but to be Solomonic. And this is a Solomonic movement. We are united in the proposition that this process requires a multifaceted approach involving all stakeholders and particularly political parties, rather than